I really like BOCES because it really gives everyone the opportunity to learn skills that can help them throughout their entire life while still in high school.
I like BOCES because it's become a second family for me.
Just like everyone that you meet at BOCES, like they become like your lifelong best friends and like your friends, and it's just really great. It's a great experience to have.
Greetings from OCM BOCES Career and Technical Education and New Vision programs. I'm Peter Hunn, principal at the Thompson Road campus. When you choose to be a CTE student, you'll learn from a teacher who is also an industry professional with years of experience in a profession that you can begin to explore right now. If you're wondering what your day might look like here at CTE, well, let's take a look. As a junior, you'll spend the second half of your school day with us, from approximately 11:30 until 2:15. Your morning will be at your home district high school for English, history, and your other classes. We dismiss early enough so that you're still able to participate in sports, in clubs, and activities offered at your home school. Seniors attend BOCES CTE from about 8 in the morning till 10:30. Seniors, you would then go back to your home district for English, math, and other classes and activities. In automotive collision, students will learn the fundamentals of vehicle refinishing, metalwork, body and frame alignment, painting and finishing, welding, plastics repair, body repair and replacement, also cost estimation and customer service skills. Students participate in an industry-recognized safety training and have the opportunity to gain hands-on experience both here at BOCES and at an internship site. Automotive technology is a 2-year program designed to provide students with the basic mechanical knowledge and skills. Students can earn their industry-recognized ASE certification through a combination of theoretical study and hands-on lab work, including the repair of customer vehicles. Students work on brake systems, do engine performance diagnosis, suspension and steering, electronic control systems, and onboard computerized engine control systems diagnosis on cars and light trucks. Headquartered at Tracy Road Equipment in East Syracuse, the Heavy Equipment Repair and Diesel Technology program is designed to offer students essential skills in fixing and servicing heavy-duty equipment and trucks. Students in this 2-year course of study will gain daily practical experience, working with a variety of diesel engines and truck components. As in other CTE programs, heavy equipment repair and diesel tech students can earn 3 CTE credits and a math or science credit each year. The Computer Technology program is designed to prepare students for the ever-changing world of computer and information technology. Through a combination of theory and hands-on lab work, this 2-year Cisco-certified program provides students with the essentials of computer repair and support during the first year. Students then study fundamentals of networking in year 2. Other computer tech topics include the Internet of Things, cybersecurity, and programming. The 2-year Construction Technology program teaches students the essential skills needed to begin a career in the building and construction trades. Students are routinely in the process of constructing modular buildings from the ground up. Students participate in all components of the build, from setting the supports and framing to finishing and installing the windows, roofing, and siding. They also do cabinetry, plumbing, door and drywall installation. All students are required to complete OSHA 10 training. The cosmetology program immerses students in the theory and practical skills necessary to test for the New York State cosmetology license immediately following their senior year. Students are provided with hands-on training and experience needed to pursue employment opportunities in such roles as cosmetologist, nail technician, esthetician, hairstylist, salon manager. Cos students practice on mannequins, on each other, and run a weekly salon session where students and their relatives can get haircuts, perming, or coloring right in the classroom. Maybe you like cooking and imagine your future in the restaurant industry. The Culinary and Pastry Arts program is a hands-on food preparation course of study that provides students with broad exposure to the science of cooking and the art of pastry design. Students will develop their culinary and pastry skills learning the ProStart curriculum in food production, dining etiquette, customer service, food safety, and sanitation. They can also earn ServSafe certification while preparing food for our in-house restaurants. The CTE Early Childhood Program is great for students who want to pursue a career working with young children. Students learn about the characteristics, needs, and behaviors of 3- and 4-year-olds and study best practices on how to guide and teach little children in a nursery school setting. Each high school student in the program is provided the opportunity to participate in all phases of operating our on-site preschool. Working in a high-tech medical laboratory environment, students enrolled in the 2-year laboratory technician program can acquire the knowledge and technical skills that will prepare them for positions as entry-level laboratory assistants and phlebotomists, or advanced placement in post-secondary education. Students gain practical learning experience performing specimen collection, clinical laboratory testing, as well as writing reports and presenting their findings in a state-of-the-art laboratory setting. CTE students who choose the Media Marketing Communications program will experience a real-world broadcast and online environment at the WCNY TV and FM studios near Armory Square. That's where young people with an interest in media can develop hands-on skills in the art of studio and audio and video recording, editing, and production. Photography, promotional marketing, and public speaking are also featured during this unique 2-year course of study. Health Occupations is for students interested in the medical and healthcare professions. In the classroom and through our partnership with long-term care facilities such as Loretto Health, students learn about long-term care, basic nursing procedures, patient rights, ethical practices, medical terminology, and body systems. Students will have the opportunity to earn CPR and first aid certification. This training includes a minimum of 108 hours in a long-term care clinical setting required for taking the New York State Certified Nursing Assistant exam. Physical Therapy Professions is another 2-year CTE program designed for highly motivated students who are interested in gaining post-secondary edges in pursuing a career in a rehabilitative field. PT students study the fundamentals of therapy, including the elements of movement and anatomy and physiology. Experiences include theory and hands-on sessions in occupational therapy and sports injury rehabilitation. When opportunity allows, students can participate in scheduled clinical rotations. Welding Technology is a 2-year program designed to help students gain the basic welding, fabricating, math, and problem-solving skills needed to qualify for entry-level employment or apprenticeship. In our welding lab, students work to complete the American Welding Society entry-level welder qualification. Students will learn the art and technology of joining metals together with heat, using special equipment to perform different welding processes. They will also learn to accurately fabricate a project, work from blueprints, and use math and measurement skills to set up and lay out parts used for the welding project. All students are required to complete the OSHA 10 training course. Open to 12th grade students only, OCM BOCES New Vision programs provide highly motivated young people with the opportunity to explore their career interests in depth. New Vision students have the opportunity to excel in career pathway coursework, network with industry professionals, participate in job shadowing and hands-on projects, and earn college credit. Headquartered on the 8th floor of the Onondaga County Building in downtown Syracuse, New Vision criminal justice students explore law enforcement topics and social issues impacting contemporary society. Students interact with law enforcement and justice professionals. Community service projects and field trips are important components of this program. Students will also fulfill their English 12, participation in government, and economics graduation requirements. New Vision Engineering Professions program, located at Lockheed Martin and Liverpool, is designed to offer 12th graders essential skills required for success in the contemporary engineering field and for post-secondary engineering education. This unique program covers a variety of technical topics such as electrical, mechanical, manufacturing, and aerospace engineering. Students also intern with Lockheed Martin professionals throughout the school year. New Vision Medical Professions students explore healthcare pathways as they participate in scheduled rotations at healthcare sites such as the VA hospital. There, students shadow physicians, nurses, and other healthcare professionals. Through a combination of research and hands-on projects, New Vision Medical Professions students learn about medical ethics, patient rights, human anatomy, and physiology. Government regulations and healthcare careers are also studied. Students also fulfill their English 12, participation in government, and economics requirements towards high school graduation. As an OCM BOCES CTE or New Vision student, there are other opportunities available to you. For example, you and your classmates have the chance to visit colleges that have programs related to your field of interest. OCM BOCES CTE and New Vision partner with local businesses and unions for tours, employer panels, and job fairs. Students who maintain good grades and attendance, specifically in their CTE and New Vision classes, can be inducted into the National Technical Honor Society. NTHS celebrates the accomplishments of today's CTE and New Vision young people. CTE students may also join Skills USA and 4 Club. Skills USA emphasizes leadership and allows students to compete in their chosen CTE field against other students locally, statewide, and sometimes at the national level. 4 Club is focusing on creating a positive school culture of compassion and kindness. Bottom line, there's a lot to experience when you become part of CTE or New Vision. Interested? Here are the details.
BOCES is a great opportunity for anyone. They offer so many courses that really you can find anything to somehow fit into your future lifestyle, and why not?
I've had some really great friendships here, and everyone gets along, you know, it's kind of just like a family.
And it's definitely like fun to make connections with like people who have the same interests as you, so yeah.